Sydney, head in the game. Are you kidding me?
Shout,
Are you
please.
fucking
Learn how to
crazy?
use a fucking
Chef,
computer.
are you good?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes, chef.
Thank you, Chef.
The worst. This is why Yes Chef has gotten such a bad rap. When it's just put your head down, all rally behind the same team, charge forward. It's so motivating to just be like, yes, chef. But it turned into this weird passive-aggressive thing at some point along the line. And like you can read it in the body language, like crossed arms, nearly rolling eyes. This sucks to see, and I've certainly been there when it's, are you going to be set up? And even though you're lying, like it's not okay, but you're saying yes, chef, and that it's a combination of the two, right? Yes, when it really means no, it's a lie directed towards chef being like the person above you. And so it creates this weird like power dynamic that's happening. Again, I don't have a fix for it. I just think that it turned into this like catch-all phrase that we started to use, and it shouldn't have ever been used that way.